Okay, so I just read about this build system called Seastar that aims to make compiling in C and C++ way more user-friendly.
Oh, that's fascinating. It sounds like it's trying to simplify what can be a really complex process.
Exactly. You know how daunting it can be for beginners? Seastar wants to change that by being more like Rust's cargo tool.
Wait, so it's not just for C? It sounds like they're also considering support for Rust and Zig?
Yeah, the plan is to handle multiple languages, which is wild. It tackles a lot of the headaches that come with traditional C builds.
That's huge. And I love that they want to focus on ease of use. How does it actually work?
So, using Seastar involves just a few simple commands. If you have cargo installed, you clone the repo and get started.
Oh, wow. So it's as straightforward as running cargo run build. That's a game changer for beginners.
Exactly, but it's still early in development, so they advise against using it for serious projects just yet.
Right, but the roadmap they have is impressive. They're planning on incremental builds, which is so necessary.
Totally. It's frustrating when you have to recompile the entire project after changing just one file.
And let's not overlook custom compiler flags. That's a big step towards personalization for developers.
Yes, no more digging through config files, just tweak your flags directly in cstar.toml, simplicity at its finest.
Speaking of simplicity, I find it interesting that they want to support C++ without changing complex settings.
Yeah, right? That really opens doors for C++ developers, and parallel builds, they really thought this through.
Parallel builds could cut down on compilation time massively. That's going to be a big plus for larger projects.
Exactly, and they aim for easy template generation too. It means spinning up new projects will be a breeze.
You mean just one command like Seastar init lang C? That's super straightforward.
Right? It's like putting your programming on autopilot, and imagine how much time that could save.
It's such an interesting concept. A unified package manager sounds ambitious, though. What's their approach?
They want to make package installations for C, C++, and Rust seamless, which is no small feat.
Yeah, that's a major challenge. But if they pull it off, that could radically alter how we manage dependencies.
Right? It's like bringing the best of multiple worlds together into one system.
And how great is it that they're still open to feedback while working on this? They encourage stars on the repo.
I know, Seastar's approach feels so community-driven, which is refreshing in tech.
But here's the kicker. If it's successful, it could make learning these languages so much less intimidating.
Exactly. Imagine new coders diving into C, C++, and Rust without the steep learning curve.
Well, I think the takeaway here is that innovation in build systems is really important for education and growth.
Yes. What's exciting is how Seastar could democratize access to programming for so many new developers.
Oh, totally. This could reshape how we think about code creation in the future.
So true. It makes me wonder what the future of programming might look like if tools like this gain traction.
Yeah, and how it could connect to the broader ecosystem of software development.
And who knows? Maybe they'll even inspire similar innovations in other programming ecosystems.
Right. That ripple effect could be significant. It's an exciting time to be in tech, for sure.
For sure. I can't wait to see how this evolves. Seastar might just be the spark we need.
Absolutely. So what's the first thing you're going to try once it's ready for serious projects?
I think I'll dive into C programming. It'll be interesting to see how much easier it is with Seastar.
Definitely. It might just rejuvenate the C community if enough people jump on board.
Totally. I'm so curious about where they'll take it next. We'll have to keep an eye on their updates.
For sure, the possibilities feel endless, and that's the magic of tech innovation.
Speaking of magic, I just realized I need to follow this project right now.
Same here. I can't wait to see where Seastar will lead us. It's all about making coding accessible.
And the excitement is contagious. Here's to the future of programming tools.
Cheers to that. Let's keep discovering more about technology together.